Welcome back to my channel. This is Mercedes GLA 2016. We removed the radio. It's NTG5, and I'll show you how to connect CarPlay. This CarPlay is on the brand of Tuning Solution with the extender cables. We need to put the cables to the factory installation and the other extent of the cables at the NTG system. Also, we need to split the LVDS cable. LVDS cable is a blue connector. Use the split cable, one for the monitor and the other connector for the NTG, and put them in Tuning Solution module for CarPlay. Okay. For 7-inch monitor, our one is 7-inch. CAM configuration is configuration of the CarPlay interface. Is this one. Jumper 3 and 4 have to be on, and the last one, jumper 8, have to be on. Okay. Then connect extender power cables for the CarPlay interface. Okay, and for the sound, we need to connect CarPlay have extender cable from the main cables. It's aux out. Aux out we have to put in the USB of the Mercedes. That USB aux module, it's in the complete with the CarPlay. Connect, and then put the key on ignition. NTG starts. Press on the joystick of the NTG. Press and hold the back button. It's switching to CarPlay menu. Then open settings of your phone. Search with Bluetooth. AWCP0. Click to connect. Connect CarPlay. Okay, that's it. We have Apple CarPlay wirelessly.
По-вкусно е, когато платиш по-малко. Затова Glovo предлага всякакви видове храни с ежедневни промоции, за да се насладиш на любимото си суши с безплатна доставка или здравословни храни.
Steering wheel controls works also. And we have to check factory camera. Start engine. Put the rear gear. Okay. Factory parking camera is working directly from NTG menu, and when press parking button, NTG menu comes again and CarPlay automatically switch to the CarPlay menu, and from the NTG joystick you can scroll in the menu. And if you press and hold the back button, it's switching to main menu. In main menu you need to go to media, then scroll to media interface USB aux, and when you connect select USB aux, connect USB aux in the armrest, and put the cable in the aux socket. Sound will comes from the CarPlay in the NTG system. Okay, that's it from us. I'll make a video when we finish with installation of all cables and interface. Thanks for watching. See you again in next video.